Hi friends, this is Dr. Nehal Shingala from Institute of Language Teaching English Medium B.Ed College, Rajkot. Today we are going to learn multiple sensory approach which is in CC 6.2.2. First, let's start the meaning and definition about multiple sensory approach. Multisenses would mean that more than one senses is involved. The instruction in which two or more senses are used is called multiple sensory instruction. Teaching that more than one senses are used for the same type of communication. The teaching process is termed as teaching practice. This is possible through the use of multimedium. Students use multiple senses when teaching a unit of any subject like science, history, geography or language using pictures, charts, audio cassettes together. Now let's discuss the importance of multiple sensory approach. Students find learning easy and interesting. Increase the concentrations of students in the teaching process. Motivates students to self-study. Teaching makes learning interesting and enjoyable. Individual differences among students are satisfied. The knowledge that students acquire become permanent, long-term and useful for long time. Teaching becomes real. More than one senses are used. So, teaching becomes effective and that keeping students active. In order to fulfill the teaching learning work, different method, senses and means can be used instead of supporting any single method. Now, let's see the benefits of multiple sensory approach. Students remain active during the learning process. Learning becomes interesting. Provides practical knowledge to students. Learning is more stable and effective. The creative power of students develop. Students remain disciplined. At last, it has often been said that senses are called the door of knowledge. Thank you.